speech to text, and much more for a low one-time price during the launch period. And the best part is, you can do it all without paying exorbitant fees for complicated tools like ChatGPT, without paying huge fees monthly to expensive copywriters, without hiring costly designers, without depending on existing graphic platforms, etc., once and for all. Now, if that got your interest, then you're in for a great surprise today, presenting AiPro, world's first ChatGPT killer app suite that does everything, creating plagiarism-free marketing content using 60-plus templates, eye-catching graphics, converting speech to text, AI image generation, AI chatbot, code writing in any programming language in just 2 minutes. Here are the complete tools that you get with AiPro. 1. AI content generator with 60-plus templates that creates attention-grabbing, plagiarism-free content for any Stop whatever you're doing right now and make sure to have your sound turned up. In this short video, you'll discover the world's first ChatGPT killer app that enables you to start, grow, and scale any business in any niche without any technical skills or marketing acumen. Yes, with this first-to-market technology, even newbies can smartly create and launch AI chatbot, write codes in any programming language, AI writing assistant with 60-plus content creation templates, content in multiple languages, AI images